Changing your Klarna payment date is a convenient option if you need more flexibility with your payments. Here's how to do it. Open the Klarna app. Start by downloading and opening the Klarna app or visiting the Klarna website. Log into your account with your credentials. Go to the Payments section. In the app or website dashboard, find the Payments or My Purchases section. This area lists all your active and upcoming payments. Select the purchase. Choose the purchase or order for which you want to change the payment date. Click on the specific order to view its details. Request payment date change. Look for an option labeled Change Payment Date or similar. If the option is available, click it to proceed. Klarna will allow date changes for eligible payments, typically for pay later or installment plans. Select New Date. Choose the new payment date that works best for you. Klarna may allow you to postpone payments by a few days or weeks. Confirm the change. After selecting the new date, confirm your request. Klarna may send a confirmation email or notification. Keep track of payments. Ensure you make your payment on the new date to avoid late fees.